Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn chapter number 1, Huruf-e-Mufradat. Huruf-e-Mufradat mean individual Arabic letters. First of all, this is Alif, Alif, Ba, Ba, then Ta, Ta, Tha, Jim. This is a lengthening letter. Jim. Then Ha, Kha. This is a thinny. This is a heavy. Ha, Kha. Dal, Dal. Then Ra, Za, Sin, Sin, Shin, Shin. This sign is the lengthening letter. This is also Shin, Sod. This is a heavy letter, and this is Sod. Then Vod, Ta, Ta, Ra, Ra, Ain, Ghain, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf. This is a heavy, this is a thinny. Qaf, Kaf. Lam, Mim, Mim, Nun, Nun. Pronouncing of this letter, you should round your lips. Noon. Try to round your lips. Noon. Then this is also round your lips. Wow, wow, ha, hamza. These both are pronounced from the lower throat, which is near to chest. Ha, hamza, ya, ya. These both are just different in writing. Otherwise, in pronouncing, these both are same. Ya, ya. Okay, if you want to learn Quran with proper recitation, with correct recitation, with proper tajweed, so let's subscribe online Quran Tutor.